Hi, I'm a travel enthusiast with a job who travels the world, capturing new experiences along the way. Please join me on my adventure around the globe as I make it my goal to bring the world to you. I am Alex Wong, and welcome to my channel. Walking through the alleyways in Delhi, India. You have people walking, you have these scooters going through the alley as well, and you have animals. So you have to be careful and basically watch out for everybody, for your safety. I got some garlic naan here. Ken, you got some kind of plate. What do you think, Ken? It's Indian food. Right now we're in New Delhi, just walking around. Ken, what are you thinking right now, man? Ooh, I'm thinking it's getting warm. Warming up. Alright guys, we're in Delhi, India, and this is the Red Fort. And that's my boy Ken. Why do they call it the Red Fort? Do you guys know? I think it's a fort and it looks red. It's red. We are in the spice market in Delhi, India. Got some chili peppers. I saw some curry spices back there. Man, look at this. Alright, I got a combo plate, some lentils, some tofu, and some naan. My brother kind of got the same thing, but he has a little bit more.
Got some peppers in there.
Alright guys, this is how good this is.
This is how good it is. Right here, see that? That's how good it is. This is how good it is.
Oh yeah.
I was expecting your hat to pop off or something. This is how good it is.
That's good. Alright guys, so this is a thali combo. Some naan.
Shabnir.
Daga. Danir. Some shabnir and danir. Some lentils, tofu, and some naan. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button below so you don't miss a new episode as I travel the world. I'll see you guys next time, guys. Bye.